Want to know the car maintenance secrets that mechanics don't want you to know? Secrets that could save you hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars? Stick around, because once you learn these, you'll never look at a repair bill the same way again. Car repair shops are businesses, and like any business, they have tricks to keep you coming back. But if you know the inside secrets, you can outsmart the system and keep your car running without draining your wallet. You've probably heard, change your oil every 3,000 miles. That's outdated. Modern cars and synthetic oils last 5,000 to 7,500 miles or more. Shops push the 3,000-mile myth because more visits mean more money for them. Ever gone in for a simple repair and left with a long list of urgent fixes? Shops often upsell jobs you don't really need right now. Brake flushes, fuel system cleanings, and even air filters are pushed way earlier than necessary. That glowing check engine light doesn't always mean disaster. Sometimes it's just a loose gas cap or a sensor glitch. Before paying a shop $100 to diagnose, get a cheap OBD2 scanner and check the code yourself. Many people think dealerships are the only safe place for repairs, but independent shops often use the same parts, have experienced mechanics, and charge way less. Dealers rely on that brand logo to mark up prices. Shops sometimes charge double or triple for parts compared to online prices. You can save big by buying quality parts yourself and just paying for the labor. Lifetime warranty sounds amazing, right? But read the fine print. It usually only covers the part, not the labor to replace it again. That's how shops still make money off repeat visits. So there you have it, the secrets mechanics don't want you to know. Oil lasts longer, upsells are often unnecessary, and dealerships aren't always your best bet. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's money in your pocket. Drop a comment if you've ever been hit with one of these tricks. I want to hear your story. And if you love saving money while keeping your ride strong, smash that like button and subscribe for more car hacks and tips.